How to see sensitive content on Twitter. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser as this cannot be done from the Twitter application. So once you have opened your preferred browser, tap on the search bar and search for x.com and make sure that you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings and privacy option you see there. Further, tap on the privacy and safety option and then tap on the content you see option. Further, in this particular interface, go ahead and check the checkbox for display media that may contain sensitive content in order to be able to see sensitive content on Twitter. So this was about how you can see sensitive content on Twitter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.